Hey everyone, this is Mike Johnson, and I'd like to introduce you to WP Face Pages, the new WordPress plugin that allows you to create ultra customized Facebook fan pages right from your WordPress blog. Now, this in itself isn't that big of a deal, but we've really taken it to the next level here with the inclusion of customized navigation. You can add your own custom graphics, you can add your own custom CSS. It's very, very customizable. And for those of you who are developers, you can now create incredibly customized Facebook pages that you can set on autopilot then for your customers with a WordPress blog that they can then manage themselves and add their own content whenever they want. So it's a lot lower maintenance because you're creating all the pages within WordPress and they're all specifically formatted to fit here in this 520 pixel space on a Facebook page. You create with your own header graphics, logos, customized navigation through WordPress with a whole, you can basically create a Facebook website within your Facebook fan page and still have all your other content, your Facebook wall, your info pages, and notes and whatever else you want to add to your Facebook site like you normally would. So now, though, the difference being is you can present things and have this page be what everybody sees when they get here. But now we've even taken it a step further, and now you can create reveal pages within here that make people have to like your page in order to see your content. And you can do that to do anything. It doesn't matter what it is. If you want them to have to like something for a free gift, if you want them to like something for to opt in, whatever, it's just an unlimited amount of reasons why you can have them opt in. For example, let me show you here. If I'm logged out and I haven't liked this page, let me go back here real quick. Okay, now I'm back here to the WP Face Pages fan page as a fresh user, not logged in. But even if I am logged in, if I have not liked this page as a logged in Facebook user, I am not going to see the content. And this graphic here was developed by us. It meets the 500, it's a 515 pixel wide graphic, and the length doesn't matter. Now what you also see here is the integrated analytics, because now, because you're using WordPress, you can use analytics instead of just Facebook Insights to actually see the traffic on your fan pages, what they're doing, how they're interacting with your content. But then once a user clicks your like button, they of course won't come to this page. As soon as they click on your like button, they come right back and get access to whatever content you want to present in front of them via the WP Face Pages page. Now, what you can also do is completely customize the content and present to them literally anything that you can present into WordPress. But we've taken it even a step further than that. Now with over 50 shortcode options, WP Face Pages allows you to do so many custom options, add more custom content to your Facebook fan page and your WordPress blog as well. So it's not just, if you can do it on your fan page here with what we have in WP Face Pages, you can do it on your WordPress blog and vice versa. With this plugin now, you can create a membership site within Facebook. You can add a shopping cart via WordPress and run it in Facebook and sell items in here. You can do sales pages with WP Face Pages. You can do squeeze pages with WP Face Pages. It is unlimited. Now, if I show you in the back end here of how it really comes to pass and all the options you have. Now, if you come into your WordPress blog and you see here in your left-hand menu, you have Facebook fan pages. This is your custom post type set up for Facebook fan pages, where you come in and you click on simply the add new button like you would for any normal WordPress page. And then when you come into the custom post type, you add your title as you normally would, but there are some other things here that we've added that aren't in your normal Facebook or WordPress installation. Now, as you see here, there's a link where you can add a Facebook photo. you click on this link, it takes you to whatever Facebook account you want to log into and allows you to pull a photo out of any of your Facebook photos that you have uploaded. And then after you add whatever Facebook photo you want to add, you can then access the WP Facepages shortcodes to add all of our custom shortcodes to your content right from this drop-down interface. Now, in this interface, you have 50 options to go through and choose from, as add to cart buttons, guarantee boxes, 30 and 60 day options for guarantees, content styling, aligning center, list styles, info boxes, highlights, drop caps, line breaks, column shortcodes where you can have multiple columns of content in your Facebook page and you can stack them, which is an incredible feature. Pull quotes, block quotes, recent posts, which is a great function, and testimonial boxes. But this isn't it. There's a lot more. Now, if you look over here, you also have the option for dropping down for adding a ratings box to have visitors to your Facebook fan page or even on your WordPress blog do ratings and automatically insert ratings in here. And you can select if you want to add it to your each and every page if you want to, a different ratings box. And then all the different options you have for building that ratings box right here inside the post editor. Now, here you also have your Facebook fan page options, which you can decide if you want to display a header image or not, display the navigation, display in the footer menu, copyright information, your title, post titles, enabling Facebook comments. If you want to use it as a sales page, if you want to use it as a squeeze page, and use it as a reveal tab page, which I talked about before, the reveal tab page being your like gateway that encourages people to like your content. But if you scroll down in the page editor here, you have even more options. As you can see here, we have sales page options to where now you can adjust your styling and the actual size of your H1, H2 down to H5 tags. And then you can pick out of these different fonts to change the fonts and content of your sales page typography. Now, same thing. You go down, if you choose to select and build a squeeze page with WP Facepages, you have the same kind of options, but then you have an opt-in title box that'll display a title above your opt-in form, and where you can also manage the font and size of the font for that typography. And then you can enter your opt-in code for whatever opt-in form you use via Aweber, GetResponse, iContact, etc., etc. Doesn't matter. And then you can add in a disclaimer here as well. So if you're working with ClickBank, whatever. So it's just a tremendous amount of tools. Now, that's not it. Now, WP Facepages also gives you the ability to add a tremendous amount of customized widgets to your regular WordPress blog as well. Now, if you scroll down here, you're going to see all the different widgets that you can add with WP Facepages, from 125 by 125 pixel advertisements, some of the most common advertising on the web, popular posts, WP Facepages categories. You can use in multiple categories. You can use this widget over and over again. WP Facepages related posts, WP Facepages recent posts, WP Facepages social widget. You can see there's all these options in here for you to use for customized widgets. Now, there's also tons of additional Facebook shortcodes, but to access them you have to go to our Facebook integration module by scrolling down here into the WP Facepages settings. And here in the WP Face Pages settings, you can see where we now can also access granting extended permissions to our blog, using Facebook Connect on our blog to integrate your blog fully with Facebook, adding the Facebook like and the new send button to any of your posts and pages in your blog or your Facebook page, integrating Facebook Open Graph technology to increase your search engine ranking capability with your blog and your face pages. All right, adding Facebook comments to your blog, and also one of my favorite features is auto posting from your blog directly to Facebook via either the Facebook wall, Facebook events, or Facebook notes. And just a tremendous amount of options here. But guess what? We're not done. Now, if we go down here, you can see we also have the WP Face Pages widget pack. In the widget pack, we have custom Facebook widgets on top of the widgets that we already showed. Now you can see here where you can select to use these other widgets here for Facebook albums, Facebook events, the Facebook FacePile widget, Facebook like box widget, Facebook recommendations widget. And you can see that to use these you have to grant the extended permissions for Facebook on your blog, which totally integrates your blog with Facebook, enabling you to do everything described here. Very, very easy. And here we can also look at all the short codes you can use on top of the ones that we already talked about. There is just so much added here. It's really easy to get overwhelmed by the amount of features, but with most of us, we know what we want to do. So you can see here that it's just, there's a ton of instructions here, along with the WP Face Pages manual and the how-to videos that will show you exactly how to use this plugin to its fullest extent. Now you can see here all the different plugins you can use for all the options we already talked about. Okay, now if you also go back, you see, well, how do we do all this and create custom menus as well? All we did was use the menus function in WordPress to create custom menus for our Facebook fan pages. That's all we did. It's that simple. And you can see here that before we even create a custom menu, right here, all we have to do is select it and create a new menu, and then add each of our pages here and create a custom menu for Facebook. It's that easy. Right now, because we haven't added a custom menu, it's using our WordPress menu already. So that's how easy this is. If you can use WordPress, you can use WP Face Pages, and you can create an ultra customized website.